Hello everybody. Mama asked me to cook some quesadillas up tonight, so it's real simple to make up. I got my pico de gallo cooking in with my chicken. And anyway, grilled the chicken up and cut it up in the quarters and got it mixed with my pico de gallo. I got my white flour tortillas over here, shredded Mexican style cheese, and then butter. So anyway, out here in the lab working, and Mama's in the kitchen busy doing her thing, so I'm out here in the lab cooking. Now I did use some of the virgin olive oil from Sundance Square. Pretty good stuff to do that with. Just about to throw it into the bowl over here, and then I might start making my quesadillas. So I'll catch up with you in a few.